Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified either according to their behavior, on hydrolysis, or on the basis of the taste, or on the basis of their reducing behavior. Three ways carbohydrates can be classified. Let us take the first one. Classification on the basis of the behavior on hydrolysis. On the basis of behavior on hydrolysis, carbohydrates may be classified into the following three categories. 1. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are those polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones which cannot to be decomposed further by hydrolysis to give simpler carbohydrates. Thus, monosaccharides are the simplest carbohydrates and cannot be hydrolyzed. Fill in the blank questions. The general formula of monosaccharide is CH2ON times, where N is equal to 3 to 7. Some common examples of monosaccharides are glucose, C6H12O6, fructose, same molecular formula C6H12O6, galactose, same molecular formula C6H12O6. Second class, that is monosaccharide. Then second one, oligosaccharides, the carbohydrates which upon hydrolysis give a definite number of, that is 2 to 10 of molecules of monosaccharides are called oligosaccharides. The molecules of oligosaccharides are made up of a definite number of monosaccharides. Unit. When the molecule is subjected to hydrolysis, it breaks up to yield these units. Depending upon the number of monosaccharide units furnished on hydrolysis, oligosaccharides can be further subdivided into the following categories. First one, disaccharide. The carbohydrate which upon hydrolysis give 2 units of the same or different monosaccharide are called disaccharide. The molecule of disaccharide is made up of 2 monosaccharide units which get separated when the molecule is subjected to hydrolysis. Some common examples of disaccharides are sucrose, C12H22O11, maltose, same formula, C12H22O11, lactose, same formula, C12H22O11.